How to turn off emergency SOS accidentally calling. Hey everyone, welcome back. If your phone keeps accidentally calling emergency SOS when you're in your pocket, this guy will help you turn it off properly on your Android device. To turn off your Android SOS on your Android, you need to go ahead and open up your settings. Then on your settings menu, you need to find something called safety and emergency. Tap on it. Once you are here, you need to go ahead and tap on Emergency SOS. And then if it's turned on, you just basically have to tap on it, swipe to call, and you should be good to go. Then you can disable the SOS message if enabled. Tap on the toggle, and you should be good to go. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.